So we're here in Danville, Illinois. We got 2 trains coming up. 2 trains. One in each direction. Oh my goodness. Woo! Oh my, here we go. Holy shit. Damn. I backed up. I chickened out. That thing is in the way. Oh, good God. Wow. Wow, I'm backing up. That was a lot of movement. Some heavy steel coils there. This looks like oil. Looks like they're moving some oil there. 2 trains at once, oh boy. I'm not surprised by this. Not surprised by this at all. Woo! I'd say the other one's hauling cars out of Chicago. And this one heading north is going to Chicago with fuel and chemicals and God knows what. It may have a few vehicles on this taller one here, I don't know. Let's see, looks like nothing. Nothing, they're gonna probably put cars in that. Right here in it. Right here in it. You know? No, that one's got a few cars. That one had cars. That's got lumber. And this looks like more oil. Good grief. Maybe oil, I don't know. Chemicals. Hard to say. This could be cold. We're gonna wait for him to lift the thing here. I don't want to get hit by it. Away we go. I'm gonna go the back road here and get off that main street. There's too much traffic now. So that's interesting. There's a little bit of footage. The train situation. It's supposed to be summer sounds going on. Go over here and take a look at this Camaro. See what it looks like. See, is it an IROC or is it just the RS? No, it's Z28 IROC convertible. I'm guessing like a, I don't know, 87 maybe, something like that. Yeah, the cloth. I like the leather personally. Yeah, it looks like they've got this blocked off for summer sounds. There's no stopping us, of course. We can go wherever we please. This is our world, after all. Weird. Let's see if there's anybody out and about. I'm heading to the gym anyway. It's right here. Popping. Doesn't look like it's popping off just yet. food trucks out here. Nice day though. Nice day. And we're out here at our usual filming location. How's the hair looking for a promo? Any good? Not really. Hey YouTube T5, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to take a couple minutes, give you an idea of what's going on this channel. We do food reviews, people on the street interviews, we do theme park reviews, we do reviews of every kind. Sometimes I talk to animals. If I'm in the mood, I do have that ability. Thank you for joining us. I do appreciate that. Would love to have you on as a subscriber. There will be new videos coming out all the time, so stay tuned for those. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.